welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, I am styling my Midnight Navy 4s today. Y'all, I was so thirsty for this shoe and I could not get it when they dropped, so I had to get them later. I ended up getting them at SneakerCon for a deal. This has become a shoe in my top 5 for sure. I love it so bad. So I have 5 looks for these today, so we're gonna try to get through these pretty fast because my phone is dying. So look number 1, y'all have seen this Brave jersey on my channel at this point so many times, but I love it and I can style it so many ways, so I'm gonna keep it, and next time I come up with another outfit, y'all gonna see it again. We got the Braves jersey thrifted, so I'm gonna throw on a white cami underneath, and then I'm gonna throw on some oversized mom jeans. Probably gonna add a bag, not sure yet, but we will see. Second look features a graphic tee from Target. This was like $12, I think. It's got Pixar characters all over it. So the characters from Up, Nemo up here, Wally, you feel me, the ones from Toy Story. It's giving brown vibes, so I felt it was appropriate to put on my brown cargos. These are from Fashion Nova, so let's see if that looks right. Of course, the Midnight Navies, and then to bring out, who is that? Oh yeah, the dinosaur from Toy Story, and then the dude from Monsters Inc., Mike Wazowski. Bring that out. I'm gonna put on my green Steve Madden bag. So let's see how that looks. Look number 3 actually features this shirt I have on. It's navy, white, and orange. This is a gift from my man, so I kept this one. I was not sure how this was gonna turn out, y'all, but I think it's one of my favorite looks in the video, probably the favorite. But this shirt, I threw on some gray sweatpants. Those are from Champion, and then obviously this shirt has orange, so I can't allow myself not to put orange in the outfit, okay? Because it's just like, why would you put on orange with that? So I had to make it make sense, so I put on my orange Docker. This is from Shein. Look is fire. Last 2, I wanted to add a little, you know, a little more girly flair. So these shoes do have red in them, very little, but it's there. So I'm gonna do the most and wear red with them. So I have on a gray crop top to bring out the hits of gray in the shoe, and then red joggers. And then I put on my A's hat, another gift from my man, because that has the navy and the red. So I thought that was gonna be cute. Super simple, not my favorite though. Lastly, we're gonna wear these jeans again from look number 1, the oversized mom jeans. Then I have this halter that I got from ASOS a long time ago, never worn it outside. It says Bad Girls Club on it. I'm gonna do that. So I like the halter with the oversized mom jeans. It's a look, soft streetwear, cute streetwear baddie, whatever y'all want to call it. And then I'm gonna put on my maroon Docker because this is the hat closest to this color. This color is very hard to match, and I don't have any accessories to match it except this. So we're gonna go with that. All right, those were all 5 looks. Real short and sweet today because my phone's dying, my bad. But I'm gonna throw the looks at the end. Let me know what your favorite look was. Mine definitely was the navy, gray, and orange. I think it was fire. It was real unexpected. I don't think a lot of people gonna do that. Comment something else if you want, like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead broke is in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta replot it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the truck jumping like time when I'm rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this from the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might